Look no further than the 2023 Kia Stinger. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Bring your love of competitive driving into sharp focus in this dynamic Stinger. The undeniably aggressive spirit of this luxury performance hatchback is backed by a lightweight, strong, rigid body, advanced safety and connectivity tech, stunning looks, and an iconic growl. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, head-up display, sun, moonroof, navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, premium sound system, satellite radio, remote engine start, keyless start. Life is, in fact, a daring adventure. Drive it to the fullest. Come in and road test this high-performance Stinger. Our team will make it the best part of your day.